Okay, so we're going to find the perimeter if the length is 17 meters and the width is 8 meters. So we're just going to use the formula just like this. We can either use the formula like this and multiply the 2 at the end, or we can use the formula like this and multiply the 2 as we go. It doesn't matter which way we do it, as long as we just do one or the other. So we can go 2 times 17 plus 8. I'm going to go ahead and just use the original formula with the 2 on the outside and the 17 and plus 8 on the inside. So then what is 17 plus 8? I think it's just 25. And then 2 times 25 is, yeah, we're just doing perimeter, so it's not like area, which is squared. It's just going to be perimeter, so 50 meters. So that means we're just saying like 17 plus 8 plus 17 plus 8, if that makes sense. Okay, moving on to question 8, we're going to solve our equation for L. To do this part, I'm going to use my second formula, the P equals 2L plus 2W, which is where I just took the 2 and multiplied it through. So to solve it, we're going to move the 2W to the other side. So we would subtract the 2W, and that would equal 2L. But we want it to just equal L. So we're going to go P. That P doesn't look much like a P. So 2L equals P minus 2W. That's not what I wanted. I still want L. So that gives me P minus 2W, but then I'm going to take that whole thing and divide it by 2 because of the 2 that's by the L. Or another way of writing that is just dividing P by 2 and subtracting W from that answer. So a couple different ways to approach it. Okay, now we just need to plug in P equals 64 and W equals 6. So you can either do 64 minus 2 times 6 and then take that answer and divide by 2, or you can do the 64 divided by 2 first and then just subtract the 6. Either way, either one of these ways works. So the way I wrote it down was I did this one here. So P minus 2 times 6 divided by 2. So that would give us 64 minus 12, which 52, and then divide that by 2. Yep. And it's just in centimeters, right? Because it's length, so everything's in centimeters. Okay. So cool thing about number 9 is the equation for width is going to be exactly like the equation for length. We just are going to swap places. Yep. Yes. That's what I got is 11 inches.